This math lesson is 12.5. It is page number 621. Now you'll need this bag with the supplies inside of it with the Play-Doh and the toothpicks. I bet this is the page you've been waiting to do. So take out your Play-Doh and sort out your toothpicks so they're out of the way. And our directions say use this ball of Play-Doh to make these different shapes. You can choose which one you want to do, or you could do all four. Now you can see I'm taking my ball of Play-Doh and I'm rolling it. I've already made this shape. You remember what it's called? Yes, a sphere. But you try each of these. See if you can make your fingers pinch and roll and push and make a cube, a sphere, a cone, and a cylinder. Okay, then circle which one was your favorite to make. And flip your paper over, and you will need to pinch off little balls of Play-Doh, roll them, and put the toothpicks to make this shape. Then do it again. What's the name of these two shapes? Squares. So you can see I've done that. Okay, and then we want to get a cube from these squares here. So you'll have to take your toothpicks and stick them so that they're pointing up. See if I can get this done. Now you're going to want to use toothpicks that are all the same size. So if you have some broken toothpicks like I do, just set them aside. You won't need the broken toothpicks. All right, so you see how I have mine on the side here? And now I'm going to try, see if I can do this with one hand. I'm going to try to set it right on top. Now my toothpick's a little crooked here, but I can't straighten it up with just using one hand. I bet you can do a much better job. Isn't that cool? Can you see it? What'd you make? It's a cube. I'm proud of myself. All right, now move this sheet out of the way. And here on little green number 1, little green number 2, and little green number 3, you are going to use your ball of Play-Doh again. And you're going to roll your Play-Doh and make your sphere. Draw a picture of it. And then try to make that sphere into a cylinder. Okay. You know how to do that? If you roll it into a log here, roll it into a log, and then push on the ends to make your two flat, round circle faces. There. I bet you can do a better job than what I did with one hand. Yep. Now see if you can make a cone. See if you can do it without me showing you. You might want to pause the video so you don't see what I'm doing here. When I'm done, all right, if you have your cone finished, look, I'm trying, I bet I can make it a little bit pointier. All right. Okay, kind of. Not bad. How'd you do? All right, now you're going to draw a cone here, a sphere here, and a cylinder here. Now, on number 4, it's asking you to use your Play-Doh and make a shape that has 6 flat square faces. Okay, 6 flat square faces. They say surfaces, I call them faces. So you'll have to take your ball shape, your sphere, kind of pinch it, push on the top, flip it over, pinch on the sides, pinch on the opposite side. You see what's happening? Look. Can you see that? I think it looks pretty cool. I made my, what's that called? Yep, that's my cube, so you need to circle that. Then flip your paper over, and the directions say use your materials to build the castle in the picture. Okay, so you're going to be using your Play-Doh to build the castle, and then circle the solid shapes that you use to build this tower. Now, I've already built mine, so you build it first. You might need to pause the video. And when you're done, you should have kind of a log shape, a cylinder, set it up, and then you should have a cone shape for the top. Set it right there on top. I'm going to lay it down so you can see it. Oh, the roof fell off. Okay. Pretty cool. All right, I bet you guys will have a lot of fun doing this. Now your homework's the exact same thing. You're going to use that ball of Play-Doh you have and make your cube, make your cylinder. Down here on number 3, it says use your materials to build the shape that has curved surface and only one flat surface. Okay, so which one of these solid shapes here has curved sides, curved surfaces, one curved surface, and a flat side? Okay, and over here on number 5, use your materials to build a solid shape that has no flat surfaces. Circle which one you made. Over here, it's just like our castle. You use your Play-Doh to make the shapes you need to build this totem pole. Put your math homework inside your red homework folder when you are finished. Have fun!